Hello class 7, how are you all? So, today in our English class, we will start a new lesson on saying please by A.Z. Gardiner. Okay? So, it is the story of a liftman and a passenger. So, before we start the story, let's know about the author. A.Z. Gardiner, the full name of A.Z. Gardiner is Alfred George Gardiner, was a British journalist and author. His essays written under the pen name of Alpha of the Pla are highly regarded. Okay, now about the story on saying please. It is this incident between the liftman and the passenger. So one day what happened? The passenger entered the lift and said top. The liftman demanded to say top please. The passenger refused his demand. Therefore, the liftman threw the passenger out of the lift. It happens just because of a single word please. Discourtesy is not a legal offense. Discourtesy means here rudeness and a misbehave. Okay, if a person who cannot or who don't want to say please or thank you, we cannot bound anyone or force anyone to say please and thank you, because it is not rule and regulation by the law. Okay, so here the law does not permit anyone of use violence against the rude person. It is not required under the law to say please. Okay, but who suffer from this? Both the passenger, look here, both the passenger and the liftman had to suffer for the passenger had to suffer because the liftman threw out the passenger. But the liftman suffered the mental agony and punished by law. The liftman was not justified because bad manners and impoliteness are not a crime. Okay? But according to author, it is true we must say please because it shows our politeness and good manner. Please and thank you are the two small words that changes our social life, by which we keep the machine of life oiled and running sweetly. But we cannot bound, we cannot force anyone to respect each other or to politeness. Okay, it is his or her decision how can he or she can react with other. Okay, because it is not a crime, it is not a rule and regulation. Now according to Gardiner, the reason is for the incident because it is a chain system. Chain system how? Suppose the maid who work in a house ill-treated with the cook. Now the cook also ill-treated with the wife of the employee. Now the the wife again nag to the employee, to his husband. Okay, the employee also not wish to the lift passenger who was also the employee of the office. Okay, so he impolite to the liftman. So this is the chain reaction. The passenger rude to the liftman because he himself treated by his employer. Okay, so again I repeat, we cannot bound anyone to say please or thank you. Okay, now another incident of the bus conductor. One day what happened? Look here. One day what happened? The author bought the bus without money. He thought the conductor would consider him cheat and threw out from the bus. But the conductor gave him the ticket without doubting him. This impressed the writer most. Here the politeness of the bus conductor shows his image. There is a, look student, there is a two image. One is the image of the liftman and the another is the image of the bus conductor. So the bus conductor image we can say polite and the image of the liftman we can say impolite. Okay, so Here the author advises us to act politely when we meet an uncivil person. This will not only make the opponent realize his fully but also restore our peace of mind. It is not only the rule that if we do not like someone tone in the voice or the expression and we end up physically because law not allow anyone to use violence. Lastly, I want to say, according to author, the best way to restore the civilities not by war but by being polite to impolite. This is the best and the easier way. Okay? Thank you.